Hello everyone, a new week has been started, and whenever you start your new week you have to identify the critical points, the critical price level from where the price can react on any asset. So here we will be specifically talking about gold, and I'm just jumping forward towards the chart, and let's see what gold chart is telling us for this week. So this is the chart of gold, and we are on the weekly level, you can see. So last week, let me mark it, this particular week has ended bullish, and it's not like a weak bullish or a strong bullish. The candle that has been closed is bullish, so we can anticipate that the next week moving forward can stay bullish. And how it gonna stay bullish? If these, let me mark the critical price levels. So the high and the low of previous weeks are our critical points. So here, if the price has to continue bullish, it has to take off this high. The new week has to print a candle in a manner that it has to respect the low of the last week candle, and it has to take off the high. And if it's gonna take off the high, then we have a clean range on the left. This particular range can be filled. You can see this particular range can be filled over the coming weeks. So this is how we can identify our critical points. If price has to go bearish, so price has to respect this high. It should not break this high, and it should break this region 1940.78. so if price is going to break this region, then again we have a clean range on the left that can be filled. So the range on the upside is not as cleaner than the range on the downside. So but we will be keeping a strong eye on the highs and the lows of last weekly candles. So whenever a new week gets started, you should point out these two specific highs and lows, and then keep an eye, and also keep an eye that what exactly was the pattern, or whether the candle closed bearish or bullish. It indicates, everything is on the chart. It clearly indicates that where the price can move. So here we can anticipate that if this low is respected, and if this high is taken off 1972.35, then we can expect a good bullish momentum on gold. Let's go on the monthly chart. So here we can see that the last month that was printed on gold was bearish. All right, and this is the key point of monthly chart. If this particular low is taken off, then automatically we have to analyze our weekly chart, that okay, the weekly is showing a bullish sign, but on the monthly level, this is how price is moving. So right now this low is respected. Price came here 1937.71 region, 1938 region. This low has been respected. So if we again go on the weekly, we can expect this range to be filled. All right, and when you are planning your trade, go to the daily chart, and on daily chart, just again mark the highs and lows. This is the high, this is the low. All right, so on daily chart we can see that this low has been taken off. In the Asian session, this low has been taken off. So we can anticipate the price to move up and then go down and fill this entire range. So if this high is taken in this candle, then this low takeoff will just be off a liquidity grab kind of thing. But if the price moves up, like this is the daily chart, if price moves up and again it goes down, it means that the last day of the last week was Friday. We closed bearish. Here a resistance has been formed, so this low has been taken out today. So we will expect the price to just fill this range. And if we go on 4-hour chart, let me share with you the 4-hour chart so we can have a clearer view. So here is the 4-hour chart, and on 4-hour chart this was kind of a support that got broke. This is a messy sort of chart which was printed on Thursday and Friday. This particular candle just paused the price movement because it has a top wick, it has a low wick, and it did not give a lot of chance to bears and bulls to play around. So also there was a closing day. This is a cluttered area, but on 4-hour chart we can mark this region as potential resistance, and this is support in making. This is support in making. But if you are a day trader, you will just go on a lower time frame, and we can say that this is our latest support. Let me mark it. This is our latest support, and this is our latest resistance that was created during the open of Asian session. So if I have to take a trade, I cannot plan out my trade easily, because if we have to go bullish from here, you can see the range is not clean. There are so many resistance on 1-hour chart. So if we have to go for a buy bias, the ideal scenario will be price to move here in this zone. Price closes above this zone, 1967. Candle closes above this zone. Then we can target this area. You can see this area on the left hand side is clean. Then we can target this area. On the other hand, the thing that is likely and that can be played out, price closes below 1956. Then we have a clean range on the left till 1951, or you can say till 1939 to fill up. So this is how you can plan your trade. Let me share with you an analysis. I did not took this trade because I go for the trades in the volume time. This was not a volume time, but let me share with you my analysis, my thoughts, that why this particular analysis was successful. So on 1-hour chart, if you see that the price fell down, all right, here on 1-hour chart price made a support. Okay, price made a support, and this is the high, this is the low. As soon as this high is taken off, we can anticipate the price to fill this particular area. If you see it like this, this is a clean range that can be filled, and it exactly happened. The clean range has been fully filled. If I go on the lower time frame, 30 minutes, so here a small candle started popping up, means the volume is dying down, and we can expect that if this particular low is respected, then we can see a move on the upside. So this is how you plan your trades, and this is how you can analyze the chart. This is how you can execute your trade. So this was a top-down analysis of gold, that where you can expect the gold price to go, and this was an analysis to share with you guys that how you can anticipate the price movement, and how you can take trades on smaller time frames. So this is it for the analysis. I will see you soon. Take care. Bye bye.